I review and I recommend the best products, the best stuffs that work. So if this is your first time of visiting, kindly tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. In today's video, I'm just going to be telling you a very simple skin routine you should observe if you are battling with dark hands and dark feet. Okay, I'm not just going to show off products today, but I'm just going to tell you what you should be doing if you really want to get this off. Yeah. So if you're having a dark feet and dark knuckles, I'm going to tell you simple routine that you can use to clear this off. Yeah, this channel is majorly on product recommendations. I want to always recommend the stuffs that work because I don't want you to keep wasting your money. And this is what most of our celebrities out there do, but they wouldn't tell you. They would tell you that the knuckle remover cream is working, the cream I'm using is working, but this is just a simple skin routine they observe, and then they make us feel that it's working. But at the same time, they are doing something really different. So what am I talking about here is that a lot of us believe that when they do pedicure or manicure, that is actually a waste of money. Seriously, I used to believe that before. Like when you tell me that pedicure is 3,000 or it's 5,000 or 1,500, I'll be like, Jesus, how much is my cream that I'm just gonna do pedicure for 3,000? Not until one man was like, just try it, you just try it. And I said, okay. I reluctantly went to where they do pedicure and gave them my feet and my hand to do manicure and pedicure. And guess what? After the pedicure, my leg has been soft, and once I apply cream, it becomes smooth. And all the hyperpigmentation I was experiencing is all fading very fast. I never knew that pedicure helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, and those dead skin cells are what is actually preventing that cream that you're using from entering those dark areas, and then you will be forced to be buying knuckle remover. If you want to treat knuckles, stop buying knuckle removal cream. Your cream that whitens you is enough to whiten your knuckle. Just go to where they do pedicure or manicure and get them fixed. Get them to pedicure your leg, get them to do manicure on your hand, like scrape these dark areas, and your, some pants are darker, so scrape it off, and you will see that that cream you're using that you feel that is giving you knuckle will end up being the one to lighten those knuckles, because thus your leg and your hand will be so open to receive cream. It will be so open, so it helps to exfoliate your feet and remove those dead skin cells that is preventing cream from entering your skin, from whitening that feet. So that cream you're actually using can whiten that your feet, can whiten your knuckles. All you just need is to exfoliate those skin cells, those dead skin cells that is preventing those creams from penetrating your to receive cream. It will be so open. So this is just a very simple skincare routine you should observe if you really want to get rid of your dark knuckles. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps. I hope Victoria Vick channel has been trying. Please, honey, I want you to share my videos, and I want you to drop your comments. Let me know. I spend money buying most of all the creams I review here. I spend money on the research, so I really want to know if it's helping. Drop your comments, and I will be so happy if you do that. I love you. Thanks so much for watching.